So after 23 years of great service with my old Craftsman 12-inch chop saw, it's time to upgrade. So what am I getting? The Bosch. This is the 12-inch compound miter saw. You can see here it's a GCM12SD. And today we're going to do a nice unboxing, see what's in the box. And in a future video, we'll do some adjustments, set it up, and cut some wood. So here we are. We're about to unbox the brand new Bosch 12-inch compound miter saw, the GCM12SD. So as always, most important part, the instructions, right? There's a few parts here for assembly. A knob. Always the joke, the dust collection bag. Like we'll be using that, right? And a hold down. These are usually pretty effective. Lots of good padding there. Keep that saw safe. Wow, that's a beast. Look at that thing. You can see that is a big saw. Big and heavy. That's going to cut some wood, isn't it? Now, what's it going to take to get it out of the box by myself? This should be a fun challenge. Especially considering you're supposed to grab from the bottom. Well, that wasn't as hard as I thought. There she be. And one little bolt on the bottom. And there's the saw. So here's the saw. To my surprise, the platform actually fit on my old bench. So that'll be helpful to at least get me started till I make a new one. But you can see there's a few pieces of cardboard. There's a little zip tie that'll need to be cut off. Some styrofoam packing. Got to take a few of these pieces off to get this thing running. Now with the zip tie cut off, you can temporarily move this out a little. Remove a little more of the cardboard and the styrofoam. Come up here, push the saw down a little, pull the pin out, let the saw come up carefully. Now we can remove some more of the packing. And I believe that's the majority of what's on there. It has a decent factory blade, but I'll be replacing that very shortly with my old Chopmaster blade by Forest Blades, I believe it is. Have that for years with great service. Nice and shiny. Won't be that way for long. Soon it'll be full of sawdust. So just a quick overview to kind of get lay of the land here. I haven't put the handle on yet, but you can see here it's real easy to move back and forth with lots of good markings on the scale. Over here is a little red knob. You pull that out. These extend out beyond for more stability of your wood. Along with on the back, you can undo these a little bit. You can see they got some nice safety cables so you don't go too far, but you can slide those out as needed. Does that on both sides. You can see on this side you have the same features. Over here you have a depth stop, so you can screw this down, but as you notice, kind of hard to see here, so here's the pin. When you pull that out, allows the saw to go back up. You can see the depth stop there, but here you can see there's a hole, so if you don't want to use it, it'll fall through the hole, but if you move this out, now the depth stop's in place. And that would then stop at whatever depth you need. Maybe you just want to score the top of the wood here, so you don't want to go out all the way. You can make that adjustment. So that's kind of a nice little feature that's easy on and off. Again, bring the saw down, real easy to just push that in, you're all set. There's the dust port. Not sure how much good that'll do us, but again, I'll be making some changes there. Then as you come over to the other side of the saw here, there's this nice lever here, and when that's engaged like it is, let's raise the saw back up again. You can see it's just like a normal chop saw. Doesn't come out at all. Just nice up and down. If you're cutting 2x4s or something small, perfect. And you'll notice you got this big handle with a big switch here, and underneath is a safety switch, and you can see it's from both sides. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, you can get in there and do it, or whatever side of the saw you happen to be standing on. Very convenient. But with that there,